Namaste parents. Hi students. How are you? Are you staying healthy? Eating healthy? Okay. Doing all the activities given by the teachers? Watching all the videos? My dear parents, our school, please download our school app. Already we sent through messages to your mobiles. Please download that and make clear for your children and make them to watch the videos and please monitor them. Let them do in their own time and let them complete all the worksheets. Please monitor them in this. Okay, and we need your valuable suggestions. Please, if at all any changes in your WhatsApp number or mobile numbers, please contact the school WhatsApp. Thank you. And now coming to the topic, already we discussed about the digestive system, respiratory system, circulatory system. In the second lesson, transport and excretion, we already discussed about as a part of transport circulatory system. Now today our topic is the human excretory system. This is the human excretory system. Let us know about what is the definition of the human excretory system. To make you clear, the human excretory system definition is the system that excrete waste from the body is called the excretory system. The system that excrete waste from the body is called the excretory system. And it is also known as the urinary system. What is the other name for the human excretory system? The urinary system. And what is the process involved in this human excretory system? Excretion. Excretion is the main process involved in this human excretory system. So, the main process involved in the excretory system is excretion. But what do you mean by excretion? Removing the waste materials from the body in the form of solid, liquid or gas. Removing the waste materials from the body in the form of solid, liquid or gas. So the main process involved in the excretory system is excretion. That is removing the waste materials from the body in the form of solid, liquid and gas. And actually the principal organs of the excretory system are, what are the main organs of the excretory system? Kidneys, ureter, urinary bladder and urethra. These are the four main organs of the human excretory system. The organs which excrete waste from the body are excretory organs. Do you know, children? The kidneys are the main organs of the excretory system, but there are some other organs that excrete waste in our body. For example, skin, lungs, liver, large intestine are the other excretory organs in our body. How the skin excretes? The skin excretes in the form waste in the form of sweat with the help of the sweat glands, and the lungs excrete the waste like carbon dioxide and water vapor from our body. And in the same way, liver also helps in sending the bile juice to the digestive stomach, and it helps in sending the waste and absorbing the nutrients, okay, and sending the waste outside. And the large intestine excrete the solid waste in the form of stool. It sends through anus. Okay, these are the other excretory organs excluding the kidneys in our body. Understood, children? And now let us know the human excretory system and the kidneys and all the other parts. The kidneys are the two main organs of the excretory system. What are the main organs of the excretory system? These kidneys are main organs of the excretory system. How many kidneys do we have? Two kidneys we are having. Okay, the kidneys are bean shaped. If you observe the kidney, you see the kidneys are shaped like beans. Okay, so how many they are in a pair? Means two. Where are they located? They are located on each side of the spine. Backbone we are having them. So each side of the spine at the end of the liver. At the end of the liver. Each kidney is about 11 centimeters. Each one of the kidney, how much? What is the weight of this? Length of this kidney is 11 centimeters approximately. A healthy kidney filters half cup of blood. How much? Half cup of blood per a minute, because these kidneys filter the blood and the waste products in our body. So per minute how much blood it will filter? Each kidney half cup of blood it filters per a minute. Its main function is to filter the blood and the extra waste in our body. The basic filters of our kidneys are nephrons. Who will filter in the kidneys? In the kidneys we are having nephrons. They are called nephrons. They are the basic filters in our kidneys. They filter the blood. So they are responsible for filtering of blood and regulation of chemicals. Each kidney is made up of millions of filtering units called nephrons. Not 1, 2 or 3 children. Each kidney is having millions of nephrons. Actually, these nephrons are having two components. These nephrons are having two components. The first one is glomerulus to filter the blood. What it will do? Glomerulus to filter the blood. Now I will show you. See. This is the nephron and it is having two components. This is first one is glomerulus to filter the blood. What it will do? First it will filter the blood. And the second one component of the nephron, tubule, that returns needed substances to our blood and pulls out additional waste. It will first one filter the blood and second one returns needed substances to our blood, means like minerals, and pulls out additional waste. These are the major two components functions in our nephron. So they will filter in this way. And next one, the nephron is responsible for removing waste products, stray ions and excess waste from the blood. And return substances like which substances? Sodium, potassium, phosphorus. Whenever any of these substances run low in your body, it filters the blood. And also if your blood is lagging off for the sodium, potassium or phosphorus, whenever it will return these substances to the blood. Understood children? And next in the kidney. The kidneys are divided into three regions. Actually the kidneys are divided into three regions. First one is renal cortex. What is that? Renal cortex. And the second one is renal medulla. Renal medulla. And third one renal pelvis. Third one is renal pelvis. Let us know about the renal cortex. It is the outer region of the kidney. So if you observe, it is the outer region of the kidney. When you observe the kidney, it is the outer region of the kidney is renal cortex. It is made up of blood vessels connected to the nephrons. It is made up of blood vessels connected to the nephrons. Erythropoietin is a hormone needed for the synthesis of red blood cells. Is also produced in the renal cortex. Understood? Erythropoietin is a hormone. It is needed for the synthesis of the red blood cells. Is also produced in the renal cortex. It is the outer surface. It is made up of blood vessels connected to nephrons, and erythropoietin is a hormone needed for the synthesis of a red blood cells. Is also produced in the renal cortex. And renal medulla. So it is the middle. It is the inner region of the kidney. So the cortex is the outer region and inner region of the kidney is this renal medulla. And these are the dense network of nephrons. Here we are having, in this renal medulla, we are having this dense network of nephrons are present here. The blood is filtered and water ions are regulated. Who will filter? The actual filtration occurs in the renal medulla. Here the blood is filtered with the help of this density network of nephrons, and also the water ions are regulated. And the next one, renal pelvis. The renal pelvis is the region where blood enters and exits the kidneys. So here inside the next to the renal medulla we are having renal pelvis. This is the area we are having the renal pelvis. Means what? The renal pelvis is the region where blood enters and exits the kidney. So unpurified blood enters and filtered blood again it exits. So urine exits from the ureters into the bladder, and also the waste in the form of urine also exists from the ureter to the urinary bladder. So this is the region where we are having renal pelvis, and also it connects the kidneys to the body. It connects the kidneys. See, it is connecting the kidneys to the remaining body. Understood children? These are the three main regions of the kidneys and their functions. This is about the function of three regions and their functions of the kidneys we learn. And actually the kidneys are the major organs, and we know that it is used for filtration of blood and also to maintain the water ions levels in our body. And the other functions of the kidneys are, there are some other functions in our kidneys, let us know about that. First one, controlling acid base balance. Kidneys, what they do, they control acid and base levels in our body. Removing toxins, waste products from the medicines. For example, we are taking different types of medicines. They may have some powerful chemical combinations, so they may have some toxins, so that through the food also, even knowing or unknowingly, we may take some food poison. Sometimes may happen food poison by taking different types of food, so that from the food or by the medications, whatever the waste are there, what are the toxins are there, that is removed. And controlling blood pressure. And what they do, these kidneys also control the blood pressure. Regulating and filtering minerals from blood. Like we discussed before about the sodium, potassium, phosphorus. If we are lagging, they are sending the blood. Nephrons helps them. So in the same way, what they do, these kidneys, what they do? Regulating and filtering minerals from blood. And promotes bone health. And also it promotes bone health and helps in activating vitamin D. So which is very important for the strengthening of our bones. So promotes bone health and helps in activating vitamin D. These are the other functions of our kidneys. Understood? Controlling acid balance, base balance, removing toxins, waste products from the medicines and food we intake in our body, controlling blood pressure, regulating and filtering minerals from blood, promotes bone health and helps in activating vitamin D. And these are the functions, other functions of our kidneys. Okay children, hope you understood this one. And today's recapitulating topic, and these are the part 1 present topics questions. What are the main organs of the excretory system? The first question, recapitulating question, what are the main organs of the excretory system? And what are the filters present in our kidneys? What are the filters present in our kidneys? Okay. How many kidneys we have in our body? How many kidneys we have in our body? These are the 3 recapitulating questions in this part 1. So now we learn about the excretory system, definition, excretion, and what are the different types of excretory organs we are having in our body, and how the kidneys are function. They are having 3 reasons, and also what is the function of the nephrons in our body. Understood children? Okay. In the next video, let us meet with ureter, urinary bladder and urethra. Okay. See you in the next video.